Hey, welcome back to my channel, Life Advantage Now with Andre Caraway. A lot of you probably wondering why I haven't been doing this, but we had family here, so for about a month or so out of town, so we had all of our rooms filled up and just kind of busy with activities and everything. But I've had some emails, especially about this incident that we had last week here on Thursday that happened on June the 27th with, I'm pretty sure you know, with Catherine Long and Joseph Wallace. My condolences go out to the family of Joseph Wallace. But a lot of people are asking me about what do I think about my opinion about the accident. And right now I can't tell you a whole lot, okay, because a lot of it they say suspected. So that just means that, they don't really even know themselves. They're thinking because, like they say, the hours of when things like that happen. But they say suspected, so they don't know if they could be drunk or whatever. But here's what I what I think about my own opinion. And some people are probably going to get upset about this. And, I'll try and, this merging video thing is new to me. So I'll try to merge the videos if I can. If not, I'll just, I'll give you the film on another video. But my thing is this: when you sit there and you take a look at the video, and when she sits there and she does that U-turn, sometimes it's a lot of people have other things going on besides, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're, under the influence or something like that. A lot of people are going through lots of things, and a lot of it could be some things, like depression or something like that. And if you sometimes even if you look, and it's just my opinion, if you look, it looks like she's actually going toward the vehicle, like she's trying to hit him. If you look at it, they kind of move out of the way, and she goes back. She tries to hit another one, and they. But the other thing that I don't get, and this is why I was telling you, if you're not, maybe she was driving and it was 2:30 in the morning. Maybe they were saying that. No, I honestly think when they get that report back, that they won't find anything of her being drunk, and if they do, I solely apologize for that. But I honestly think that they won't find anything. I just think that the way I feel about it, and like I said, you were asking my opinion about this, is that um, maybe she was depressed, and maybe that it was one of those mornings, and maybe it was a breakup or something like that. That's the way it seemed to me, and she was like, "Well, I'm gonna kill myself." That's the way I think about it, and I could be wrong, but that's the way I think about it. Especially when you look at the video of everything that happened, if you try to put that together, okay. But we're gonna wait for this, to, this report to come back and really see. But that's my opinion about that, and I just think that she was just like, you know what, the hell with this, and then she did that U-turn, and that was it. She was going 100 miles an hour. Either she was on something or she was depressed. I'm telling you, something was wrong. So my other thing is I don't understand what I've had that happen before too, where I've seen a wrong way person going, but I mean, you know what? But I see them coming, and that's the thing I don't understand. Like, and this is why I was telling you, you have to be mentally ready to drive, and in on the other hand is that you drive with your eyes and you maneuver with your hands. You know what I'm saying? You don't drive with the side of your face, looking down, looking for things. I don't understand that. Like, but then again, she's going 100 miles an hour, but it's like, if you see something flashing at you, it's like, I don't know. I think you should be able to get out of the way, but that's what I'm telling you. When you drive, you have to be paying attention. You know? So, I don't know, but I'm going to bring this video up so you can watch it and you can let me know what you think, and you know, give me the rest of your comments. Email me. You know what it is. Andre Caraway at lifeadvantagenow.com. And just let me know what you think. Leave a comment or whatever. But um, I'm going to merge this video in, and just, you can let me know what you think. And some people ask me, they're probably going to want to know about the quotes that I normally do. But I have to I have to look them up. And I was looking for it. Couldn't find where I do with my book. So I'll get back on those. But I don't know. You let me know what you think. And this is what I was telling you. You know, you have to be mentally ready to drive. If you're not mentally ready to drive, you know, that can take over you. So you have to be, you know, that's all I can say. You just have to be ready. In this case, I'm not going to even say what I normally say about common sense and driving. So, but I'll merge this video in, and you know, you can let me know in the, you know, what you think in the emails. So until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.